You're watching How Leap. Let's see how to turn on private browsing with a lock on Safari for iPhone. Open the Safari app, tap the tabs icon in the bottom right, which looks like two overlapping squares. At the bottom of the tabs view, tap Private. This switches Safari to private browsing mode. A dark address bar confirms you are in private mode. To enable the lock, you need to use Screen Time. Go to your iPhone's Settings app, tap Screen Time. If you haven't set it up, tap Turn on Screen Time and follow the prompts. Once Screen Time is active, tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. Toggle it on if it's off, tap Content Restrictions, then tap Web Content. Select Limit Adult Websites. This setting restricts web access. More importantly, go back to Content and Privacy Restrictions. Scroll down to the Privacy section and tap Allow Changes. Find Private Browsing and set it to Don't Allow. This locks the ability to exit private browsing mode without your screen time passcode. Now, when someone tries to switch from private to regular browsing in Safari, they will be prompted for the passcode. This effectively locks the private session. Remember your screen time passcode to disable. Return to the same setting and allow changes for private browsing. For more simple Safari privacy tutorials, subscribe to the channel.